Okay, so another Shadowfoam wall video. As you can see, a lot of the tools are missing. Reason being, I've now got a new workshop that I'm doing a lot of woodworking on. So a lot of these I don't need here. And it's annoying seeing blank spaces. So this whole wall's coming down, it's going to the new workshop, and we've got a new wall going up here. This time we're going to use red foam and black front just like that, and have the logo in the middle but use the round logo instead. Tools on the right, tools on the left, and make it all nice and neat and symmetrical. So let's take this wall down and crack on. Really? To you.
To you. To me.
Hey!
Three
Sweets!
You're going on there.
And if we get the spirit level, right? Okay. It defends his own ears. You don't grab me ear defenders, do you? You know, I'm the one stood right next to it. Look how many holes there is on the wall.
Doing that to that.
The wall is probably going to come down at some point.
Yeah.
Keep drilling holes in it. Across. What?
Why?
Ah, flip it 180 degrees, man. Now we're making some sense.
Yeah.
So all the power tools we need, we've duplicated, which we've got here. We sourced them all from CBS Power Tools. If you need any power tools, I highly recommend them. They're absolutely fantastic. So we'll get them out of the boxes, lay them out on the foam, and see how we get on. So this is the layout we've planned. I want to try and keep it as proportional as possible. So I've got your impact screwdriver and heat gun there, your drill and impact gun over that side, all facing away from each other, nice and symmetrical. Then I've got the 9 amp batteries there, then the 4 amp batteries above them, light bar, blah blah blah, and the logo as centralized as possible. And I think that's going to look quite good, but I don't know. We'll see. So that is the Shadowfoam wall complete. It took overall about 5 hours in total to do, so much quicker than the last one. The last one took a while. Granted, it is half the size. It's actually half the height, but the same width. So it's kind of half the size. The good thing is I've got a little bit more space to put other tools, and I will be putting other tools there. The good thing we have in this one so small is I can put a bench under it and my metal lathe on top of it. So it's going to open up a lot more space. The other one kind of dominated the workshop. It was really big. But the other one I'm still keeping it. It is going to my other workshop, which I mainly do a lot of woodwork and metal work on. So you will probably still see that in other videos and things to come. We are affiliates for Shadowfoam, so you can get 10% off your order if you type in RobinBankM at the discount code and on the Shadowfoam website. Follow the link in the description, go on the Shadowfoam website, buy some foam, do your own project. It's brilliant stuff. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for notifications. I just want to say thank you to Shadowfoam for sponsoring us, and also thanks to CBS Power Tools for giving us a couple of freebies.